Hello friends. Today, I want to tell you about foods you didn't know could kill you. So probably best to not eat these things. 1. Mushrooms. Not every mushroom is created equal. Remedies mushrooms might make perfect pasta toppers, but some species contain poisons that can kill. 2. Tomatoes. The juicy, red fruit contains a poison, glycoalkaloid, in its leaves, which is known for causing upset stomachs, severe cramping, and anxiety. So steer clear of the leaves and stems. 3. Rhubarb leaves. Rhubarb might bake up all kinds of delicious sweets, but the leaves are poisonous, causing breathing trouble, seizures, kidney failure, and in some cases, death. 4. Peanuts. One of the most common allergies is to peanuts. The most severe response is anaphylaxis, which can lead to severe constriction of the airways, shock, and even loss of consciousness. It is dangerous enough to cause death if left untreated, so know your allergies before stepping anywhere near these babies, or their addictive friend, peanut butter. 5. Shellfish. A severe allergic reaction to shellfish can inhibit breathing and even be life-threatening. 6. Potatoes. Potatoes have both poisonous stems and leaves, but even so, potato poisoning is rare. Most potato-related deaths come from eating green potatoes or drinking potato leaf tea. 7. Cherries. Watch out for cherry seeds, which contain poisonous hydrogen cyanide. 8. Raw meat and uncooked eggs. Raw meat, including red meat, poultry, and seafood, and uncooked eggs, can contain salmonella bacteria, which can cause gastroenteritis in humans. Salmonella poisoning can also lead to serious complications, such as bacteremia, when salmonella enters the bloodstream, that are life-threatening to people with weaker immune systems. So light a flame under your meat to avoid any risks. 9. Almonds. This seed, no, it isn't actually a nut. They pack in many health benefits, but they are also potentially full of poison. Bitter almonds, while in their raw form, are full of cannade. They need to go through a specialized heat treatment, more than just your oven roasting, in order to remove the toxins. If you liked this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family.